One single look burning straight through my soul, looking into your soulful eyes is like staring directly into the sun. A dangerous game. Our love needs no words, just a look. Whatever is happening behind those big beautiful eyes is something I desperately want to be a part of. That look, those eyes, they make the strongest of people go weak in an instant. There is nothing more I want to do than dive into those soulful pools of beauty. When they stare directly at me, it's impossible to look away. Their ability to hold a stare is like a superpower. A smile with the eyes is like Cupid's arrow to the heart. We learn life's the best mysteries through eye contact. But then you make eye contact with someone across the room, and it clicks and you are right there in love again. Eye contact, how souls catch fire. Eye contact is way more intimate than words will ever be. Eye to eye contact is the best way of communication, where words are restrained. The eyes often dark a great deal. Say it all with your eyes. One glance, no words required. Those eyes remind me that I am love. Listen to the eyes. They have much to say. The eyes reflect what is in the heart and soul. Lies and truth exist in the stare. lost in your eyes is where I want to be. Amazing how your partner's eyes can either say I love you deeply or you are in deep trouble. There are two ways to tell me you love me without abandon. Stare deeply into my eyes or bring me tacos. People always know when they have gone too far simply by the look in their partner's eyes. I hope you are staring at me because you love me and not because I have food on my face. Look me in the eyes and tell me what you see. My hopes and dreams are shattered. In there no future for you and me. I love you more than I ever thought I could. Someday I thought we would find happiness like every couple should. Look me in the eyes for once. Tell me the truth. Did you ever love me? Please don't make any excuse. Look me in the eyes. Can't you see my pain? My heart is breaking. I have no one else to blame. Look me in the eyes. Can't you see my fear? If I am losing you, God take me away from here. Look me in the eyes. You will see how much I care. The tears roll slowly down, then vanish in thin air. Look me in the eyes. Can't you see my heart? If not when I am awake, then do it while I sleep. Look me in the eyes. at least once before I die. You will see the memories that we shared through our children. So look them in the eyes. Let them know you care. Let them know you love them and that you will always be there. Look them in the eyes. Please don't wait until it's too late. Look them in the eyes. Only speak the truth. Lies can hurt forever. Some hurts get to turn to mend. Look them in the eyes. They will always meet a friend. Look them in the eyes. Never let it end. Then do it while I sleep. Thanks for watching.